Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Louis13 and today is actually my first YouTube video, so thank you so much for tapping in. So we are going to Camp Ndunda with the boys. I'm gonna be chilling with the big boys in Embu. So I'm gonna be, updating you with some sneaky pics, and I hope you enjoy camping with me, us. Without wasting much of our time, guys, let's get straight to the video. Guys, tuko kwa liquor store now, entering. Masponyo ndo hawa, my big bro. Sponyo, ndora. Masponyo ndo hawa hapa hivi. Dingo ndo, sponyo. Akapi the check sponyo. Unaona tuko liquor store, tunachukua a few drinks alafu tuendelee na safari yetu. Hey guys, so as you can see, tuko Camp Ndunda. Tumefika safe, we thank God. So we are about to go for our nature trail. Leo njia tunafuata, so let's go, let's meet the other big boys. Allow me to start my video from here. All this is nature at Camp Ndunda. Watu anaongea tu, anapiga kelele hapa. Sikia huyu. These trails are so slippery. Slippery like. You know what I'm saying? You have to be careful. Girls, don't come here with high heels. Okay, tumefika spot ya ziplining. People are screaming because it's crazy. Adrenaline, man. I don't fucking play with adrenaline. So here we are. We outside. We are doing all those dangerous activities. Okay?
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, do not try this at home. Sindio. Kid.
Baadaye jioni usiku senye kuna cheza na
guys. Hey. Oh my God.
Relax. Lean back. Straighten up your legs. Hands free. Your hands apart. Baby, straighten up your legs. Legs up. Baby, kufunga mguu. Nice one.
I'm sweating. I'm walking swiftly on this bridge, as you can see. Look here. Ona pale chini. Interesting. Oh, yeah. You see that bridge? You see? Ona uko chini. Natembea kwa hii bridge. I'm doing this for you guys. Yeah, it's shaking as hell, but you know, we're doing it. Chiku uko chini. Hey guys, so I'm back. Tumeonyeshwa the place where we're supposed to camp. So I'm gonna show you our tents where we're sleeping, and the this is the tents. Boys washaji seti. These are the tents, and then they were kind enough to give us the bigger tent, the one that's on top of the smaller tent, because it might rain at night. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is the area where we're going to be camping. It's a big area. This is where we are gonna be having our bonfire. Okay, we'll be outside the whole night. Outside, if you wanna pull up, we're in Embu County. So guys, this is it. This is the area where we'll be camping. Kuna hot shower na cool shower, the choice is yours. The showers ziko somewhere there where they are. I don't know if you can see a tank, a water tank somewhere there. Yeah, so let me get inside niongee na boys. Yep. Good morning guys. So tumeamka, it's a new day. We thank God. We feel blessed, energetic. The shower was amazing. Okay, felt like showering in the Amazon. Okay, as my nigga, watu wa kwanza kuamka hawa alikuja late by the way jana. that's ya kukua kwa videos. Alikuja usiku. Usiku sako. But the experience was amazing, guys. I wouldn't mind trying this. So let me get dressed, then we do some more fun things. Hey guys, so welcome back. Mona nimeshower, I am dressed up, okay, all fresh and clean. It's a new day. We are going for a walk, and then because we are going to leave today, tuko na a few activities that we are going to be doing, and then come here to Ishe, sadly, but we are happy to bond. We talked and all that, we played games, you know. So see you in the next video.